welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are showcasing Miss Thing getting to her. Yes, if you're new to my channel and you like what you see, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video you can go ahead and get notified. And if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl? Who's that girl? Na 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 na. Alright, so I got Miss Thing from Janet Collection. Listen, Miss Janet, if you're nasty, I'm telling you, she's going toe to toe with them girls. Janet, Janet girl, stop killing them like this. Now, I got this unit from Sam's Beauty. I'm thinking it was Sam's Beauty. I think it was samsbeauty.com. And she is called Yaya. And I got her in the 99J. Now, this used to be my staple color. This is the color I used to rock all the time when I used to buy my synthetic wigs. Like the 99J, yes, please believe me. Especially in the fall, baby, you can't go wrong. Nowadays, they switching it up to that like cinnamon spice, ginger spice, all these other colors, but the 99J used to be what's up, and it still is, to be honest with you, because she is doing some things to me. Anyway, let's get into her stock card. She has a transparent lace for a seamless blend with any skin tone or color, natural deep parting lace space for styling naturally, a pre-plucked natural density hairline for a realistic appearance, added baby hairs to complement the look, soft Swiss lace, perfect for any meltdown with any lace adhesive. And she's heat safe up to 360 degrees. This is what Miss Yaya is looking like on the stock card. She's giving the same thing on my head. I appreciate that. The back just has details on how to take care of her. They don't have no colors on here on what other colors you can get her in, but yeah, 99J is what I got her in. Okay, so she is a standard wig. She has the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, no adjustable elastic bands. Her mesh cap is, I guess you can say, breathable. It's stretchy. She is somewhat of a big head friendly type of wig because she fits my head, but she literally, like, her tabs don't go all the way down, and then the hairline wasn't really trying to come all the way to the front. Now, I was going to do some plucking, but with a style like this, you can't really pluck too much. Why? Because you're going to end up messing up the curl pattern. So I used a little bit of the baby hair. No plucking, even though it is definitely required, even though it says it's pre-plucked. I don't know about all that. She is soft and like beautiful. Her curls are amazing. 99J color, get into it. Get into it. You see that? You see that? She's very natural. She looks like she can be my hair. That's why I'm not too mad about the pre-plucking part, because look at that. That don't look too bad. I mean, it don't, right? It don't look bad at all. I don't think so. Let me turn around to the back so you can see what the back is giving. She's not a heavy wig. She's not a heavy wig. I can't say if she sheds or if she will tangle. She'll probably tangle in the nape of the back area or whatever. But I'm not planning on combing her out. This is it. So I don't know if she tangles. But she is a cutie. The color is nice. The style is nice. It just looks natural on my head. Like, this is just a beautiful wig. Would I buy her again? Definitely, hands down. She is an everyday type of wig. Like, you can wear her to anywhere. This is probably going to be my new everyday wig because she is cute. I might wear this tomorrow. Huh. School, church, grocery shopping, wherever you decide to go, she is a cute everyday wig and just adorable. You would definitely get compliments on this. People would definitely think this is your hair because, baby, she is giving body and waves and this is so cute. Look at that curl pattern. You see that? And then the little crimpy curls at the ends. Jenny, how y'all came up with this one? Because this one is cute. This one is really cute. I love her. And her price range wasn't even, I think I spent under $40. I'll put her price and link for her in the description box. If I didn't get her from Sam's Beauty, most likely I got her from Quick Types. But she is gorgeous and she's giving very natural Vageline. Like, I love it. In this color, you can definitely finagle this in the fall or in the winter. She is cute. Ooh, if I had a big like fur coat or like a Shearling jacket. Remember Shearlings back in the day? They don't tell me, telling my age. I don't know if that's in anymore. Shearlings in anymore? Can somebody tell me? Because I've always wanted one of those. I've always wanted one of those and never got one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I definitely appreciate you guys. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Make sure to, before I go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. So every time I upload a video or every time I upload a cutie patootie like her, you can go ahead and get notified. All right.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.